Okay, we're on to Unit 1, Activity 5. What you're going to find in here is that they spend a lot of time going over uses of nitrogen-containing compounds. So they go through plastics and they go through synthetics. And what I'm going to focus on is just the naming, because the other stuff is just informational that you can pick up. So I'm just going to do 3 examples of naming. So when we have a nitrogen containing compound, we call it a nitrate. There are other we call it an amine. There are other ones, but we're going to deal with the amines. Longest chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a pent. It's a suffix, pentan amine. And it's on the 3rd carbon, so it's 3-pentanamine. Remember, the amine comes after the root. Here's the thing, you can have primary, secondary, and tertiary amines. A secondary amine means you have 2 carbons coming off of it. So instead of a hydrogen, you've got something else with a carbon coming off of it. So we have 3-pentanamine, once again, but on the N, we have a methyl, so we call it N-methyl 3-pentanamine. Now, we can also have 2 groups coming off the N. We can have methyl, and we could have another methyl, but I got an ethyl here. So it's 3-pentanamine. It's N-ethyl, because N is the location, and N-methyl. I'm going to leave it up to you to go through the classifications and make notes on the different types of recyclables, and to also go over some of the synthetics, and just keep good notes in case something comes up on a test. But this is how you name amines or nitrogen-containing compounds. Now remember, these aren't the only ones, but this is the biggest classification.